That's your job, to kill our men, uncles, brothers, fathers, sons, husbands. But I never thought you would kill my sister and turn out the light of her eyes. I was wrong, but you should know, those eyes will haunt you until the last day of your life. Now I'm in such sorrow, but I'm a woman and a Baloch. I'm a Baloch woman, and I will rise and dance again until the last day of my life, and then my daughter will dance until the last day of her life. You should know, darkness will end and the sun will come out tomorrow.